Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12R and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by installing your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. In settings, scroll all the way down to access apps section. Then tap on manage apps and select those three dots at the top right corner. Now tap on default apps. Finally, click on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, browser app. Lastly, click on your downloaded one and tap on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!